There's a bird in Lindsay Bird's studio. It's scared and it needs to find its way out. Birdie. It came from the ceiling, through the ceiling, over from there somewhere. It's not going to come up for a while, so I'll show you where. Boom. They've been coming from a hole right there. This is Bo. I'm videotaping. There's a bird in Lindsay's studio. And it's funny because her last name is Bird.
Why are you videotaping?
Because I have a YouTube account. And I'd like to use it. Oh, right there. It's scared.
The European starling.
European starling. Bo notices. Whoops. Bo notices birds. That bird, I think it's probably the same bird. It's been here at least 2 other times. It's a dumbass bird. I don't know what to do. We just usually let it find its way out, but it usually takes half a day or so.
I want to have a bird in my studio.
Which one? You don't like the video? Aww. Yeah, it's over.